Welcome, guys. This is Sanctus Divine Consult, and in this video, you'll be learning how to get started with Archicad for beginners. Part 3. I have done the part 1 of the video, I have done the part 2. This is the part 3 of the video. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get new updates whenever I post new videos like this. Let's get down to business, guys. So we'll be adding the railings to this project. I'll go back to the story 1. Then I'll go to railings and see railings here. I'll go back to railings. Then you can see this arrow here. Click it. I'll be making use of this glass panel railing. I'll select it. I'll do some settings here. 20,000. Yes. I want it to be equal size. Equal size. And I don't want it to pass 4. Top railing, yes. White. Inner post. Just play around with it. Inner post settings. Inner post. Okay. This. I'm selecting this. Okay, 5. Then okay. Okay. So I'll be drawing from this column to this column, from this column to this column. Okay, before that, let's add column to this middle of this project. So I'll be adding this. I will right click. You can see move here. From move, drag multiple copies. I'll copy it. So I'll click here. I've added one to that side. Also, I will be adding one column at the middle here, and I'll be adding one column here too. Here, and also I'll be adding one column here. Here. So that is that. So this column I will shift it to the middle. I will drag it to the middle. Yes. Yes. Drag. So we view it in 3D. Yes. You can see it now. So the column that we drag, we can copy it. Copy the column. Just copy it. Go to the ground floor. and paste it here. Yes, we it in 3D. You can see it now. So now let's copy this to the other side, the other place. As you move, drag multiple copies. This column and drag multiple copies. I'll be adding one here. Do here. Adding one to the middle here. Yes, because the that space is too large. Yes, so you can check it. View it in 3D. Our project is is looking nice now. Now let's add our railings. Select railings. We have done the settings. Then I will select from here of this edge to this edge. Double click. Let's preview our project. You can see it now. Our project is looking nice. We have added our railings to it. So what I will be doing is that I'll be copying these railings to the other side. Same thing you'll be doing also. So copy this, then drag multiple, just disrupt my video. Sorry, no problem, it's not. How is everything? So I'll be dragging this sheet. So you have to drag all this. Select move, drag multiple copies. You can see drag multiple copies here. Start from here. Paste it here. Drag again. 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 So this place, we need to create another one here. Select and start from here. Yes. Drag here. Select also. Drag here. Also drag, copy from here. Copy from here. Because there is nothing here, so move, drag multiple copies. Place it here. So that is that. Let's preview our project in 3D. You can see it's very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then I will be copying all this upward to this story, first story. So go back to ground floor. So hold your control. You can hold your control and select the release. Hold your control and select all the release. Copy. So copy it. Go to the first floor. and paste it at the first floor. Paste, click the interface. You can see our project is looking nice. You can see the railings. Now we have done with the railings. We have to create one for this side so that someone will not fall. So we'll come back to story one, select the railings. Then from this from this side, so you have to do it all the way around here. From here, draw it here. Yes, review your design. You can see it. Our design for this one, I will select settings because I don't want it to be 5 like this. I will select the settings and I'll make use of one. Okay, settings. Come here also. I'll make use of one. Okay, I see. Beautiful, beautiful, perfect. So next is to go back to ground floor. Is to add roof into our roof to our project. Go back to story 3, new story, insert. Okay, we are still don't need to create new story. We are still in story 1. So go to story 2. Now we will be drawing our roof. Select roof, click the settings here. I'll be using 30° for my roof. I don't want it to be too high. 9,000, yes. Story 2, yes. Come back to geometry and positioning. I need simple roof. I don't want the thickness to pass 10 mm. 10 mm. So I put 10 here. Then I'll come to model. I'll be selecting uniform color. Roof tiles, French red. I'll make it uniform. That is the meaning of this link. This link means uniform. So roof tiles, French red. I'll press OK. It is a square, a rectangular shape. I don't need to use this construction method. I will be using the rectangular method. I will take it rectangular. Then I will select. Still come to the settings. The offset, you can see offset here. I want it to be 450. That 800 is too much. 450. Okay. Then I'll be dragging from here. You can see it. Our project, the roof has been done. You can see it. But you can see the roof. The roof is too high. Then I will select it also. Go back to settings. I'll be using this. I will select this back. I'll select this back. And I'll be using this. This, yes. Still 30°. Still 450, yes. And because it's too high, I will be using from this, come back to this geometric position. I'll be using 0. Let's put it at 0. Let's see what will happen. Do you see that it goes down to the ground floor? So now come back here. We put 0. And perfect. You can see now it's on top. That's it. Our project is input roof on our project. Now the next thing is you can add a fence around your project. You can add fence around it. So Here I'll be creating the environment using the mesh tools. So I will first use the slab tools to create, and I'll be using a rectangular to create this, delete it, go to back to ground floor. Yes, then select this. You can see the size, the land area of the project. So we should not pass this land area. So I click wall, geometry 2 to 5. Okay. So I will draw around this. I will draw around this project. I'll start from here. Just draw around it. That is the fence. View it and see. That is the fence. Now next is to draw the we have to draw the concrete, the floor concrete around this fence because we'll be having a concrete floor here. And I will select it here. I want it to go a little bit down. Now I will be using minus 100. Minus, put minus at the front. Minor means down, still going down. Yes, this is what I want. This is what I want. And you can see this fence now. You have to make it. You have to select minus 2 for it because it's floating on this concrete floor. So I'll be using minus 150 also, minus 100 also. Just select minus, put minus at the front of that. Perfect. You can see it now. It has merged together. It has merged together. Our project is really making sense. So you can put gate here. You can put gate at this, but for the sake of this tutorial, I will leave it open like this. Then I will come back to this. I don't want to use styles. I'll select it. Select the settings. Come back to here. I'll be selecting concrete. You can see concrete here. Concrete O2. I'm using that. Then okay. Yes, this is what I'll be using. Then this project, if you want to just save the project, save. So we are done with this 3D. I should have put gate here, but I don't. For the sake of this tutorial, I won't be doing that.